Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. We are going to simplify 8 divided by 4 times 8 divided by 4. So if you are new to my channel, please subscribe it. So there is two operation given, that is division and multiplication. So it's confusing from where to start first. So we have BODMAS or PADMAS rule that helps to choose the operation first. So it says that if you have bracket, first solve the bracket, then off, then division, then multiplication, addition, and then subtraction. So we'll give first preference to division. So 8 divided by 4 times 8 divided by 4. So 8 divided by 4 is 2 times 8 divided by 4. So 2 times 8 divided by 4 is 2 and 2 times 2 is 4. That's how you can solve this type of simplification problem with the help of BODMAS or PADMAS rule step by step to reach at your correct solution. I hope it's clear and you find it useful. So please give us a thumbs up and do subscribe to my channel. Stay tuned for more upcoming videos.